Okay, so let's come here and see the excavation and the starting of footing construction. This is Engineer Omar Ali from Project Management Simplify. So today we're going to talk about this starting of a new villa in this big site. Let's see. Okay, so you can see here, these are the boundaries of the excavation that we have. The laborers are working on the cleaning of the area, and when you want to start the excavation, in fact, you have to take in your account that you need to excavate a little bit more than the borders of your work. So we can see here, the footing itself. This is the PCC, okay, and you know the PCC is bigger than and wider than the width and length of the footing. So according to the drawings, maybe it's sometimes 10 centimeters or 15 centimeters. Okay, so you have, when you want to do your excavation, you have to take in account that it's not on the borders or on the edges of the uh, uh, last or the outest footing. It's not like that. You have to take in account that you have a PCC also, which is which has like 10 centimeters or 15 centimeters projection, as you can see here from these shutters, and you have to have some tolerance here, some extra area for the workers to move in, to work in, and to have some support afterwards when you do the concrete here. When you do the footing here, the concreting for the footing, also you need supports by jacks, rakers here, and you need to support. So this area here, you can see it, this is for the work. So you have to calculate from the edge of the outest concrete edge, outest footing edge, then you take the PCC edge, then afterwards you have to have extra space for the laborers to work in. So then afterwards you do your marking, then you do the excavation for the area. So what is this? This is the shutter or the formwork for the PCC. So now the concrete, after they finish the work here, they will come and they will pour the concrete in these squares or rectangles that you can see here. In fact, in some places, in some works, they don't pour the concrete directly to this one. So the quantity surveyors, they need to calculate also a polythene sheet if it's required in your specification. So you have to care when you do the footing work and you do the calculation for the footing work. You have to check the specifications if the consultant or the promoter of the work, the client, I mean, if he requires a polythene sheet before pouring the concrete, then there will be here a polythene sheet. Then afterwards we will pour the PCC. Then afterwards we will do the waterproofing for the PCC itself. Thank you very much.